Hello and welcome to the CCD Guide video tutorial Edit Setup. If you want to use Edit Setup, an installation on hard disk or on a USB stick is necessary. How to install CCD Guide CD manual. A setup is a combination of a telescope and a camera using a particular focal length, and these different setups are needed for the planner. To create a new setup, click on the New button. Now you can enter a name for your setup, then choose the telescope and the camera in the drop-down list. The focal length is an optional input field. After you have input all data, you can save your setup by clicking on the Save button. If you want to edit a particular setup, click on the desired setup in the data table. Now you can edit all input fields and don't forget to click the Save button to save your modifications. If you want to delete the setup, then click the Delete button after you have activated the desired setup data row. Be careful with deleting setups. The To-Do list of objects in the Planner tab, which is connected with this deleted setup, is also deleted. Use the same procedure to input a new camera or a telescope if it is missing in the master database.